Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from the OKX wallet to the Tonkeeper. Alright, so in order to send your USDT over, simply scroll through and select the USDT. Alright guys, so once you've clicked on the USDT, at the top of the screen we have the network toggle, which is a horizontal scroll that you can use to select the network you wish to send your tokens on. Now in this tutorial video, we're going to be sending our tokens on the Ton network. So click on Ton, which is at the bottom, which is at the back of the scroll. And once you selected the Ton, click on Send. We know this because the Tonkeeper is mostly a Ton blockchain kind of wallet. So simply click on the Tonkeeper to open it up. Simply click on the USDT. Click on Receive here. Copy your address. Head back to the OKX wallet. Paste the address there. Click on Confirm. And proceed to enter an amount of USDT you'd like to send from your OKX wallet to the Tonkeeper wallet. And then click on Next. By doing this, you successfully sent your USDT from the OKX wallet to the Tonkeeper wallet. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.